Guys, I know you weren't expecting a video like this on my channel, but recently I've been ruminating a lot about stuff like this. Like, I'm talking about my own self, like what I've been recently going through in terms of, laziness, procrastination, and not following my routine, slacking behind, not being disciplined, right? And I just wanted to put this out here, like, as men's, like, we have like different kind of, objectives and purposes in our life, right? How to become the most active man possible. And this is going to be top 1% strategy, which no one's talking about. So guys, as a human being, we feel things, right? We feel lazy sometimes. We feel like let's take a break. Let's not go to the gym. Let's be lazy and let's not do anything. Just lie down on the bed, right? Just eat food. Just waste time. That's what we do most of the time, right? Even if we have some things to do, even we have a to-do list, we have prepared our a schedule, like what things I need to do the next day. Still, what we do is we just waste the time. That's what the current generation is up to, right? Gaining knowledge is one thing, and gaining knowledge by wasting time is another, right? So if you actually wanted to gain knowledge, you could have watched a YouTube video, like you have made some notes, and you would have actually implemented it. Just tell me in the comment section below, like whatever you have saw on reels, YouTube shorts, you have actually implemented and executed that in your actual life. I know there might be some people, I'm not saying all of them, but I'm talking about majority of the people who just watch it and never execute it, right? Not taking action upon it, right? As of now, you're just on your mobile phones all day long, and you're wasting your time and missing out on a lot of money, on a lot of actual potential of yours, right? We want to do something with our lives, but something is holding us back and we don't realize what that is, right? I don't know what that is, but you gotta figure out something on your own. You gotta start meditating. You gotta think in a positive way. Think about all the things which you're doing on everyday basis, things that you're doing wrong, things that you're doing right. The wrong things, think about that. What are the few things which are just holding me back and not letting me to reach my fullest potential? Just think about that. So what's the solution to this, right? So for me, what I've actually worked in the past, and whenever I feel I'm slacking behind, I'm not feeling like working, what actually works for me? So I would say, first of all, everyday basis, start manifesting. Whatever it is, you gotta buy your dream car, start manifesting. If you want $1 million in your bank account, start manifesting it. If you want to buy a house for your parents, start manifesting it. Manifestation are in a lot of different forms. You can write it, or you can just ruminate it in your mind. You can just think about those lines inside your mind. Just keep repeating it. Visualize it, right? That's the first way of actually disciplining yourself in terms of actually reaching to your goals. If your body is fit, you'll feel more active, to be honest. When I hit the gym, even if it's a leg day, guys, I feel so much tired after coming back from the gym, and I don't feel like working, right? But I still sit here, do my outreach, take calls, and after 2 or 3 hours or 4 hours, I'm active as hell. And I just wake up until 2, 3, 4 at night, and I don't even realize how can I do that. And I do heavy workouts, especially on leg days, right? And obviously so much strength, so much power, endurance takes for those kind of workouts. But still, I don't use any kind of let's say I don't drink coffee, black coffee, or let's say any kind of energy drinks. It's just from the inside. I just have my dinner at night at 11, 12, and after that also I have energy left. So it's hitting the gym actually makes a difference in our lives, guys. The second is too much indulgence of yours on Instagram, YouTube. You're just completely indulged into these kind of platforms. You don't have anything to do, you open Instagram, start scrolling through reels. And there are people, when they're free, they don't have anything to do, they pick up a book, they start reading. That's the difference between two separate kind of guys. right? I'm not either one, to be honest. I don't like to read books, but I sometimes just force myself to read books, maybe self-help books. There's like still one book here, like how to be stoic, right? So like it's on my table for the last week. I haven't touched it. I just bought the book, but I'm going to give my best to like start reading that book. But at the same time, I don't use Instagram most of the times. It's on my phone. Notifications are turned off so that it just don't distract me. But you gotta take those steps for yourself. If you think Instagram is a distraction, turn the notifications off, guys. Like, I have seen people who consume so much a ton share of content. They make notes, they get everything in their mind, they never take action. Then they eventually realize, like, why I'm not getting results, because you're not taking action. And to be honest, that what separates some kind of guys out there and the guys who take action on daily basis. I'm talking about. Whatever my current position is, the only secret sauce is taking action on daily basis. I used to sweat. I used to be so much nervous about making cold calls. I used to show up with my 100% discipline. I'm going to definitely agree with you guys. Like, I'm not that much disciplined right now, and I'm just saying it on your face, right? I'm just being 100% transparent and honest with you guys. And last but not the least, guys, as a man, you should have your own boundaries. I'm not talking about relationships, but boundaries of your own, for your own body, for your own mind. If you feel like this is bad for you, never get into that. And if you feel like this is good for you, so instead of just thinking about what others are saying, just do it. Whatever others say, just don't consider it. And that's known as something as contrarian. If the society has some other beliefs and you have different beliefs and you don't agree with the society, that means you are a contrarian on some let's say POVs, on some opinions, right? Every single guy out there should hit the gym on daily basis. Just lift weight, guys. It releases so much testosterone in yourself. It's going to definitely and positively impact your lives so much. Just lift heavy ton shit of weight. Just lift so much heavy weight. Obviously, just don't injure yourself, but try to get strength in yourself. And no disrespect, guys, for me, why I hit the gym, to gain strength and a little bit of aesthetics. If you feel like, if you go to my Instagram, like the link is in the description, I'm not a guy who wants to be lean, who wants to get abs or something. Obviously, in the past, I used to, say to my friends and everyone, I want to get abs and whatnot. But having abs aesthetically feels good. It gives you a good posture. It gives you like a good physique and whatnot. I crave for strength. And even inside the gym, guys, my only purpose and objective is to gain strength. Every single day, I'm doing muscle hypertrophy. And it's not increasing reps. It's by increasing the weights. Every single day, you should hit the gym on daily basis. That's going to make you more disciplined. I can bet you on that part, 100%. Last but not the least, guys, as a man, if you don't know your purpose, just quit this video right now. Have a room to yourself for an hour. Write down your goals. What are you doing with your life? What do you actually want to achieve in your life? What do you need to actually do for your parents? After 5-10 years, where do you actually see yourself? Write everything down. Then conclude that 1 hour with what your actual goals are, right? Once you know your goal, and I'm not talking about goals about your financials, goal about your life in general, time freedom, location freedom, whatever it is, write that down. Like, if you want to buy something for your family, a house, a car, write that down. It's going to just tell your subconscious mind, like, these are the things I want to achieve. These things will be in the back of your subconscious mind all the time. Just make sure of that. Once you know your goals, start manifesting it on daily basis. Use law of attraction. Go on YouTube and find videos on manifestation, how law of attraction works, compounding effect, ripple effect, placebo effect. Study about these things. It's going to somehow impact your life on a positive note for sure. So I know this video was something different on my channel for the first time. I'm not sure like if you like this video or not. If you liked me this brutal with you guys, right now go in the comment section and tell me like your POV, your opinion on these kind of videos, and I'll try to come up with more videos like this. Just drop your feedback, that would be much appreciated. So guys, I think that's it. Again, the only key takeaway you should get out of this video is taking action on daily basis. It's going to change your life very soon, very soon. All the best guys, keep taking action, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.